In this project we are going to replace an original power pack, which is basically 2 times 3 AAA cells. So it's AAA cell next to AAA cell in series, with that emerging on the top with a positive and negative tab. Right, so what we've got to do is replace this. The first thing to do, look at it, see what we're replacing. Bear in mind we'll be using the same power supply charger, so you might want to consider, if you're going to do the same job, how many amp per hour the cell that you're replacing was. Here it says 750 milliamp per hour. So that means that these cells would have been able to pass or supply 750 milliamps for 1 hour. Right, we've got these new ones. These are ordered from RS Components. It's got all the information on there. These are tagged batteries. Beware of these because they usually do come with some charge. So again, don't cause short circuits to any batteries. Anyway, there they are. Nickel metal hydride. Again, that's also significant. These are, they were checked. We've got the capacity, they're NIMH, as are these. So all we have to do is arrange them so that they are connected at one end, and just basically reproduce what that was. And then once that's done, it can go into the machine. So first things first, turn the soldering iron on, and that's on. I'll wet the sponge while that's heating up. Alright, come back to this in a moment. Right, back again. As a precaution, I've put tape on these ends of these batteries because the next stage of this is to join these tabs together, and what I don't want is shorting out of any of these batteries. So a little bit of tape is in order, and now as this is heating up, I've been heating up, I shall start tinning that and then getting these batteries in order. I'm going to try and film the action from over here. Alright, first things first, get the tags sorted out. These two can come together, so take this off of here. Right, and then that will be that to there. Tin and soldering iron. Don some glasses. It's not time for that yet, it's not hot enough. Some glasses on. Here we go. Starting to melt now. Getting hot enough. So there's a tin this up, as that is a tag, and as such you can apply tin solder to it. Just a little light coating, and this here, and again get it nice and hot. Flux, take care of any oxidization. Right, you've got that on there, splashed it off, and this is why you have to wear glasses. Now I'm going to attempt to put these two onto here. There now, and joined. In my opinion, not joined all that well. Right, separate them again. So, first thing to do then, snip off some of the tag. At this point, a little bit of tape over the two would be in order, and then blue tack. So here we have up. Joined up. Now they are joined up. Reasonably reliable connection. I don't see as that's going to come apart. So now we've got this. Now we've got these prepared and ready. The next stage is to make some space to put the new battery pack in. Here's the device that we're changing the battery pack for. It's a Remington hair trimmer. Model MB-320C. It's a rechargeable device. The whole issue with this was the well-known, you charge it all night and it delivers 5 minutes of charge time, which is a well-known phenomenon that happens when these things reach the end of their useful life. Right, so the next stage is to desolder those wires, replace them with equivalent wires of a similar length, as they were damaged in removal of the old battery. I could sleeve them, but in any event I don't like how messy they are, so I'm going to replace them with new sections.